Have you ever wondered why some people can squat effortlessly while others struggle just to bend their knees? What if I told you that the ability to squat is something we're all born with, but over time, some of us lose it? Every person with a fully functional body started out being able to squat. Notice how kids, when they are learning to walk or when they play with fellow kids, drop into a squat. This is because it's a natural thing for our bodies to do. And it's not just kids though. For centuries, people around the world, especially in many Asian cultures, have used the squat as a natural resting position.
And before modern toilets, this was how people pooped, you know, like this. So, how is it that people from the West can't squat anymore? It's simple. Nowadays, we spend most of our time sitting in chairs, seated toilets, transitioning from our chairs to our beds. As a result, our bodies have become stiff and we struggle to bend our knees to just squat. But here's the thing, squatting is not just for flexibility, it is crucial for your health. The lack of squatting has led to a rise in knee, hip, and back pain. So, learning to squat with good technique every day can be of benefit. In fact, it's one of the best things you can do for yourself because there are so many benefits when it comes to squatting.
Squats are functional and natural for your body. Squats aren't just an exercise, they're a fundamental movement that helps your body perform real life tasks. Whether you're picking something off the ground or standing up from a seated position, squats mimic these actions, improving strength and mobility. Squatting also works your entire lower body, your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. It's one of the most effective ways to build muscle, burn calories, and tone your body naturally. Squats can also improve flexibility, especially in your hips, thighs, and lower back. And if done properly, they can relieve the tension that often builds up in your lower back after sitting all day. Squats strengthen your legs, hips, and core and help to stabilize muscles. And with stronger legs and a solid core, squats can dramatically improve your posture. Squats can also improve overall cardiovascular health, improve digestion, and circulation.
Okay, so for the important question everybody has been waiting for, what's the right technique to squat? Stand tall. Let your feet be shoulder width apart. With your toes pointing out a little bit, lean slightly forward. Tuck in your pelvis. With a straight spine, drive your knees towards and over your toes as you squat while maintaining a straight and neutral spine. Okay, so for some people, the problem they have with squatting is that their legs cannot be planted on the ground firmly. So when they try to squat, they do this. Their heels is off the ground. And what this type of squatting does is that it puts a lot of tension on your knees. So we want to avoid squatting like this. Understand? What we want to do is to try and make our legs be planted firmly on the ground. So your toes, your heels should be planted firmly on the ground. So if you find out that you cannot plant your heels firmly on the ground, what you should do is get two books, something that you can place under your heels, or if you can get a little bit of high surface that is a little bit higher than the ground. So just place your heels on them and then your toes remains on the ground. So that way you can squat up and down while your feet remains planted on the ground. Another thing you can try doing if you're having problems squatting is to get something firm like a pillar or a pole, and then you hold it and you go down. This will bring you into a squat position pretty easily, and you can stay there for like 10 to 20 seconds and then you come up again. Doing this will help you get really used to the squat position. So you see, you want to do this. All right, so you see that